Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video we will implement the update and delete operation by using id. So let's start. So let's create put method first. We will use the put method for update the data. So it will the put method for update the data. So let's create one route first. So method will put, let's create one path, update update data. So it must be in lowercase /id. So async function. So let's create one try catch. The try catch will help us to handle the errors. So return the error first. Method will 500 dot send internal server error. Let's pass the id, const id. We will use the params. It will extract the id from the request URL. So we will use the params. So data dot find by id and update. Find by id and update is the mongoose method that used to update the document in the database. So we are using find by id and update. So we will pass first id, then our title request.body. Actually request.body will contain the new name for the data from the request.body. So description request.body dot description. Okay, let's add return first response dot status will 200 dot send update data. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's add one new true as well. It will add the new data, new true. Okay, so let's copy the path, copy. Let's create one new request. So add request, name it update data, our URL, and just change the last parameter. Okay, slash our id. We are updating data by id, so we will pass the id in params. So put method, let's add JSON data. First will our title. Let's change the name, new data. Okay, let's change the description to comma description. So data updated. Let's send. Okay, we receive our response. So let's check it's updated or not. So let's find by id. We already created the API for this. So let's send. You can see our data updated successfully. In all, let's check it's updated or not. Where you can see it's updated. So let's create one more API for delete the data. So delete method, we will use the delete method for delete the data from the database. So delete method for delete the data. Okay, so router dot delete delete data by id, async function, request response, arrow function, try catch. Let's console the error. So error dot message, and let's return the response. Response will like internal server error or some error occurred. Okay, so let's pass the id first. So const id is equal to request.params.id. Okay, const delete data is equal to await data dot, we will use find by id and delete method. It's Mongo's method to delete the data. Just pass the id over here. Okay, return response dot status, delete data. So let's add one condition. If delete data not found, then we will return one response like, let's copy and paste data not found. Okay, it's done. Control save. 404 error. So let's check our API. Let's copy the path. Let's create one more request. Add request. Name it. Okay. Change the path name slash. Let's copy this ID. Let's delete. Okay, method will delete. Okay, our data is deleted. Data not found. Let's check this data is existed or not. Let's paste over here. Okay, you can see no data found. It's deleted from our database. So thank you so much guys. We are completed our CRUD API. Thank you so much for watching.